and this is Tokyo Rock TV.
And you're watching a new single? It's called Since Yesterday.
See you soon in June.
Bye.
With nothing left of you, 100 wishes shouldn't stay. I don't want to. And as we sit here alone, looking for a reason to go on, it's so clear that all we have now are our thoughts of yesterday. La, 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 la.
Did you meet? Where and how?
Well, we met at a punk club just outside Glasgow in Scotland, and I knew Jill's boyfriend, so we got to know each other through Jill's boyfriend.
Ah, do you remember the name of the club?
Oh yes, it was a Silver Thread.
Silver
Silver
Thread.
Thread discotheque.
Ah, what was your first impression of it?
Jill was scared of me.
Yeah, it was a bit intimidating, I must admit. Spiky hair.
Black lips.
Black lips.
Now, you changed studio so often. I was wondering why.
Well, a bit of variety, just to keep everything exciting.
Oh,
I think
you!
I produced this idea because it's good to try out. It's good for us to try out different studios, and it's good for him to try out different studios because then he can see which one has the best facilities technically, and we can see which one's got the best facilities for recreation. Because it's always technical hitches that take hours to fix, and you've got to, and, you know, either we used to take our guitars and write no songs, or we play games and sunbathe in the back.
And also you get to
better,
find out all the different studios and which ones are good for vocals, because it's quite important to find somewhere comfortable when you're going to do a lead vocal. And so now we know all the studios we felt comfortable in, that we think we could do a good vocal in, so that's good. And the next time we go in, we choose all the best out of the last one.
Also, it was a good way to see London, because you can move down to London and it's such a big city that you live in one area of it and you hardly ever see anywhere else, but because we went to studios all over the place, we got to see all these different parts of London. So
Wow!
we know London quite well.
Yeah. So you pretty much have a favorite studio right now, huh? Which one is your...
Well, I've got two favourite studios.
Which one's that?
I like Jam Studio. And I like Chipping Norton.
They're my favourite too.
Chipping Norton, well, Jam is just a big studio. It's only one group at a time, and it's got a big restoration area for a TV and that. And it's got a kitchen where you can actually have meals on the premises. You've got a big family all the time. And it's just
And also
like
it's near where we live as well, so you only have to travel about 20 minutes.
And Chipping Norton was different because like it's like a living studio, and we went to a residential studio, and it had small individual cottages, so we had the cottage each, and that was great fun.
Oh, great.
But in
the country.
Great, and Jam Studios used to be an old ballet school, so it's like got a really funny atmosphere, like this old ballet school. So when and Chipping Norton used to be a school, just an ordinary school, and they built cottages on it. It's fantastic. I mean, they're just great places. And
So which one's the worst one?
The worst one. It's so bad I can't remember the name.